Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you Vivo to Vivo phone clone. If you're using Vivo phones and now you want to make clones of your phone, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to open this app, which is easy share in your phone, but if you want to get it in your device, you can easily install it from Play Store. Just open Play Store and here just search for easy share. Just search for it. Then you can easily get the app. Just install it, then open it, and here you just have to select device clone, and you have to open the same app in the other phone, just like this. Just open the app, and here just select device clone, and here you just have to select which is this phone, and here I'm going to select this is an old device, and here I'm going to select this is a new device. Just select, then select Android or iPhone. I'm going to select Android because it is a Vivo phone, and here you just have to scan the QR code to connect. Just like this, just scan the QR code and then this phone will be connected. Now you can easily make clone of your device. Just select quote it from here, and here allow all the access which the app needs. Just like this, it will scan everything of your phone. Then select next, and here the data size. You can easily get it. Just select next from here. Then use your PIN or verify yourself. Then select start cloning to make a clone of your device. So that's how you can easily make Vivo to Vivo phone clones. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.